Friends, welcome back to our channel, and today I am super duper excited to be unboxing these candy pods. They are wireless earbuds. Also, let's check some information on the back. They are from GIEC. They're waterproof, wireless. They have noise cancellation and a battery life which is 400 mAh. Also, there's many different colors, but we got the color blue for my brother. Let's unbox these headphones. So, also don't forget to have adult supervision while using blades or scissors. These look really cool from the packaging. Here, I'm going to get them out of the packaging. And let's open them from the bottom. Here they are. They have a plastic coverage to keep them safe. And they have a really cool design on the front. And if we open these are magnetic. They're in the color blue, and you can see which earbud is left or right from the case. They also have this plastic wrapping on them for their charging, so then they would charge if we remove this plastic. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other one, so they would charge. Now they are supposed to come with a charger, which I think is probably under here. Yes, there we have it. Here's a mini charger for our earbuds case, and the earbuds just charge in here. You could put this charger port in here and plug this one in, and it would start charging. I'm going to charge these and update you in a little bit. So now I have charged them, and these take 1.5 hours to fully charge. They would have a green light on the case if they are charging, and also on the earbuds they would have blinking lights to show that you can connect the earbuds to your phones. Here also they have an instruction manual which is in both English and Chinese. Here you can figure out how to pair the device and how the battery will work. So here you will connect it to GIEC candy pods, and then we will click done, and then let's see if we hear some sound. Yes, I hear sound, and the earbuds stay on your ear really well. So overall, I really liked these candy pods. They were amazing, and they had really good voice cancellation and voice quality as I tested them earlier. And they are really nice, handy dandy. So I would recommend these, and I would put a link in the description if you guys want to purchase this product too. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification to always get our new videos. Bye guys, bye, see you in the next video.